What's up, guys? What is this tow truck driver doing, bruh? Yeah, so today I got my camera working again. I got new settings, so hopefully it looks good. What do you guys think? And you can hear the exhaust now. I got an R7 exhaust. M4, boy. What up, son? Alright, let's go. What up, kid? I got you, bro. Let's go, son. I got fucking, it's such a hard dip on the right here. It's crazy. Let's go, son. Yo! Alright. Anyways, back to the subject. It's a fucking Suron now. Ooh. Look at the sunset, boy. I'm on the way to my boy's house right now. I don't even know how to get there, actually. But we're gonna figure it out. It'll be alright. This thing's awesome to wheelie, man. I love it. Been doing that a lot, working on it a lot, a ton of practice as much as possible. Yeah, dude, bunch of seat time. Seat time's everything, man, for these wheelies, I feel. I mean, everything in life is seat time, right? Look at the Santa, boy! Yeah, it's December as well. Pretty sick. All kinds of festivities going on. What is going on with that fucking light bar, dude? At first, I didn't think I'd like the sound of this bike, man, but it's grown on me a lot. Let's go, son. Second gear has no issues coming up. Isn't that crazy? My Ninja would throw up on you. Where do I go? Straight? Okay. But no, I just wanted to do this little vlog, man. I don't upload a whole bunch, and I'm trying to upload more. I just never know what to talk about when I'm talking, but I know what to talk about all the time at work. I'm like, yo, I got this idea for a video. Da 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 da. Look at that killer. Another wave. Yeah, dude, and then I get on either the bike or whatever. Well, sorry, let me back up a little bit. My media mod for your GoPro, which is like an adapter, broke. So I haven't been able to record lately. But now I can record. Not yet, baby. But now we got it all figured out. And I'm trying to upload more. I'd like to upload more. Everyone always says that, dude. It's corny as fuck. Nice little 300. Hey, yeah, I know that kid. That's funny. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want from me? Oh, you said you want to sit down? I'll put a sit down on you. A little slop, but a little slop never hurt nobody, right? Dude, I love when the sun's out and I'm on the bike and we're outside. Gotta go! Wood in my eye! Ah! I'm not overreacting right now. There's dead ass like a fucking thorn in my eye. I cannot see out of my left eye. This sucks. I think I turned at this light up here. Let me see. Yeah. Do you guys see I'm doing two different gloves? It's a little insider knowledge for you. I'm testing something out right now. If you can guess why, leave a comment. Hey, brother. Howdy. Alright. little too old for my liking, if you know what I mean. I'm just kidding, I don't swing that way. Yo, you sound good, shorty. But yeah, dude, I've had this bike for like a month now, and the Grom taught me a lot about wheelies, man, right? It's green. There's a green arrow, guys. Go! No, it translates, but like, not as good as the Instagram guys say it does, I feel like. It does, but it doesn't. It's a hard explanation. But, hey. But you still gotta put that seat time on the big bike, you know what I'm saying? You can't just be like, okay, at least this is me. Maybe I'm retarded, which I am. Those fundamentals, like the feeling and whatnot, are pretty similar, which is neat. My boy Dave, we got some tools for me. Gonna get me right. That's what you guys gotta do, man. You gotta get tools from old heads. They know what they're talking about most of the time. And if they offer you stuff, you take it. Alright, what's up, people? As you can tell, it's people. No, it's late. We got all the tools from David. Appreciate that, homie. We're going to Chick-fil-A because your boy needs to get his protein intake today. I'm just taking y'all along for the ride. Know what I'm saying? There's a bunch of tools in my backpack, so I can't really do anything too crazy. Also, where's Chick-fil-A at, bro? I cannot remember. It's fucking... That thing smells good, dude. It's like one of those pig barbecue things. Damn, it smells good. What do you guys want me to talk about, dude? I got nothing. Oh my gosh, there's like wrenches hitting my back right now. Damn, there's a lot of cops. What the freak? Maybe an accident. Hopefully not. You know, sometimes you gotta know time and the place, right? Because I could go speeding down this fucking road like an asshole, and then someone like that right up there turns out, or that right there. I know I talk about that a lot, but just gotta keep your eyes out, man. Bit of fun once in a while. Let's go see what that motorcycle is up to. He's kind of fucking in the worst place ever to stop. I gotta say what's up. Oh, haha. Cool. You good? You good? Don't look at me, kid. You need to turn in.
Hey, bro.
What's that?
It's okay?
I was making sure you're okay.
Oh, no, yeah, that's fine. Oh,
You're good?
The call for me.
What is it?
And the call and the...
Oh, you're on the phone? Oh, okay.
Yeah. What is this and the...
R7. What is this? MTO3 or 7?
No, 7.
Oh, same motor. You know that?
Yeah.
CP2. No helmet?
Hmm?
No helmet?
No.
You crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be careful out there, man, you know?
Man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, be careful in those lanes because they can't see you, you know?
Yeah.
That's why I was asking if you're okay. And then I saw you take off. I was like, oh, he's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, take care, bro. Man, that's fucking crazy. No helmet in the middle of the fucking road? Nah, bro. You cannot catch me doing that, my friend. I hope he's okay, though. I hope he has a good life and does good things. I know, I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A. What up, people? We're back. Also, I just stopped by Walmart, so you'll go to Walmart with me real quick. We gotta go get some protein. huh? We're also in second gear, which is like really high gear. Fucking FRS behind me is hauling taters. My buddy saw me, he just texted me. He goes, was that you going down that road? I was like, yeah. That was me. I need to stop doing it. Whoa! That's a cool looking fucking truck. Smashes into the car. Nah, but that police truck is sick. What is that? I've never seen that. I don't know why this is so cool to me. I thought it was my buddy's truck. Like his same generation. It's not. That truck sucks. I hate that truck. I'm just kidding. Alright, we don't need that many things. We need yogurt, tuna. I need a soap. Alright, fellas. We got my groceries. It feels like I have 1,000,000 pounds on my... Oh, jeez, that's a bush. Feels like I got 1,000,000 pounds on my back right now. But I'm on the way home. Hope you guys like this little video of me riding around town. If I even uploaded, I don't know. Bubble clots. We threw up a couple staggers for y'all. One sit down, I think. That was pretty cool. I'll see you guys in the next one. We gotta get some lot videos out. I just never go to the lot during the day, but I need to more, so because those videos would look sick. Alright, hope you guys like this. Peace.